Let's look at the guided practice. The directions say, count on to find the sum. Then change the order of the addends. Remember, the sum is the answer to an addition equation, and that the addends are the numbers being added together. So we can see that they solved number 1 for us. They wrote the equation 3 plus 1 equals 4. They have 3 red cubes plus 1 more red cube. So to count on, you would say 3, 4. And below they have switched the order or changed the order of the addends. So they began with 1 blue block and then added 3 red blocks. So our addends are 1 plus 3. And let's count on to make sure we get the same sum. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get the sum of 4. Let's look at number 2. The first equation that they've written for us is 4 plus 3. We have 4 yellow blocks and 3 purple blocks. Let's count on to get our sum. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. The sum is 7. Now, if we change the order of our addends and have 3 purple plus 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow, we'll get the sum of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we add 3 plus 4, we get the sum of 7. So when we change the order of the addends, we still get the same sum. So 4 plus 3 equals 3 plus 4.